Okay, good afternoon, everybody, and I am once again here with the solution of the numericals of basic mechanical engineering that I have discussed yesterday of internal combustion engine, and I have also given you the answers. So I will be solving the numericals so that those who are not able to solve those numericals can easily solve. So I am repeating the question and I am writing the things. So first of all we will write the given, what has been given to us. So question was an engine working on Otto cycle has the following conditions: pressure at the beginning of the compression is 1 bar. So P1 has been given to us as 1 bar, comma, and pressure at the end of the compression is 11 bar. So P2 has also been given to us as 11 bar in the question we are taking, and we have been asked to calculate the compression ratio and air standard efficiency of the engine, and gamma has been given to us as 1.4. So gamma has been given to us in 1.4, and we have to find that is R, that is compression ratio, and eta is equals to question mark, that is efficiency. We have been asked to find out. So we go for solution, as this was our procedure to solve the numerical, and in the classroom we used to follow the same procedure. So we know the relation P1 V1 gamma is equals to P2 V2 gamma. Isothermal relation we already know. So we know R, that is compression ratio, is given by the formula V1 upon V2. V1 upon V2 is equals to P2 upon P1 1 upon gamma. So when you will solve this equation, so you will get the answer R is equals to 5.54. So this is the answer for your compression ratio. And now we have to find out eta, that is thermal efficiency. So eta is the formula of 1 minus 1 upon R gamma minus 1, and we can put here as 1 minus 1 upon 5.54 to the power of 1 upon 1.4 minus 1. So after solving this, you will get the answer is equals to 0.496, or eta comes out to be 49.6%. So this is the answer for efficiency, that is air standard efficiency, as well as R, that is compression ratio.